New exemption allows Warren County Community College to expand its advanced UAS training capabilities. WarrenUAS, the unmanned systems training program at Warren County Community College in New Jersey, has been granted a major federal exemption. The Federal Aviation Administration FAA has approved WarrenUAS to train students on large drones, those weighing more than 55 pounds, in the National Airspace System NAS. This approval, issued under Section 44,807 of the U.S. Code, makes WarrenUAS one of only 5 organizations nationwide with this type of exemption. Most exemptions for larger drones do not include provisions for training. A step forward for drone education, this is another huge step for WarrenUAS, and moves our program into an elite group of institutions to have the legal clearance to fly these complex systems, said Will Austin, president of Warren County Community College. Like us, the FAA is extremely cautious about the circumstances under which it allows drones to be operated, so we are honored that they have given us authorization to properly train the new generation of professionals to work safely in this sector of the industry. The exemption builds on other recent FAA approvals received by WarrenUAS, including Part 107 waivers. These waivers allow students to operate drones beyond visual line of sight in overpopulated areas, capabilities that are usually restricted. Industry collaboration and expertise. WarrenUAS has deepened ties with the drone industry through its recent partnership with the Taction Group LLC, an aviation advisory firm that specializes in large UAS operations. Nathan Ernst, Taction's president and founder, called the exemption a remarkable achievement. Having this authorization for a higher education institution is a groundbreaking step in the right direction, and WarrenUAS is a great place for it to be based, Ernst said. Jonathan Ruprecht, a drone attorney and flight instructor who has helped secure hundreds of FAA exemptions, supported the application process. The college is positioning itself as being the preeminent educational institution to provide training on how to fly unmanned aircraft, Ruprecht said. The college has also brought on Ed Celiano, a well-known expert in complex UAS operations, and the former executive director of the New Jersey Unmanned Aviation Systems test site. Growing facilities and opportunities, WarrenUAS has expanded its reach dramatically, starting with just a few students in drone systems. It now expects to enroll more than 100 students in the coming semester. Students will train on over 100 drone platforms, valued at more than $5 million, in 2 new state-of-the-art facilities. The college offers accredited degrees, non-credit certifications, and professional credentials such as the OFSI Trusted Operator certification. Students can also transfer to Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University under a new partnership for advanced study and joint training. We began the program because we saw the need for trained professionals in this field, said Austin. At the same time, there was a lot of interest by students who understood that they could have really satisfying, high-paying careers in this field, real-world applications, and student access. The program emphasizes real-world drone use in agriculture, public safety, infrastructure, and environmental research. Precision agriculture has been a particular focus, with training programs designed to help farmers increase efficiency and sustainability. Just last week, the Carnegie Foundation and the American Council on Education ACE recognized Warren County Community College for its strong support of student success and access. The school received a high rating for student access as part of their national classification process. Austin noted that affordability is a core part of the school's mission. 60 credit transferable accredited degrees can be achieved for about $10,000 in total, and textbooks never cost more than $200 a year, he said. A model for the future. The FAA's exemption highlights the careful preparation behind WarrenUAS growth. Each step in the advancement of the WarrenUAS program through these FAA certifications/authorizations has been rigorous and challenging for good reason, said Austin. When it comes to safely flying unmanned systems, we take our responsibility very seriously and demand our students share in these safety philosophies while they gain practical experience in an environment with the highest standards. That is what the FAA expects. With its latest FAA approval and growing partnerships, WarrenUAS continues to position itself as a model for advanced, affordable drone education in the United States. Read more. WarrenUAS expands industry reach through new partnership with the Taction Group. WarrenUAS advances robotics and precision agriculture with federal funding support. WarrenUAS advances robotics and precision agriculture with federal funding support.